Set A is a proper subset of set B, denoted by this symbol, if every element of A is an element of B and A does not equal B. And this notation is used to denote that A is not a proper subset of B. So we have 5 different sets here, and we are going to be asked a lot of different questions. So determine whether each statement is true or false. So I'm actually going to work through these column by column because I think that that will be easier. So the first column is looking at F and D. And 13 says F is a subset of D, and that is true. 17 says that F is a proper subset of D, and that would also be true, because the set F is not the same as the set D. 21 says F is not a subset of D, which is false because we just said that it was true for 13. And 25 says F is not a proper subset of D, which is false because we just said it was true for number 17.